Cummins Inc., the American powerhouse that keeps the world moving. In the world of heavy industry, there are companies that become famous through marketing, and there are companies that earn their reputation through performance, reliability, and engineering excellence. Cummins Inc. belongs firmly to the second category. For more than a century, Cummins has been powering some of the world's most demanding industries. From massive mining trucks and long-haul freight vehicles to marine vessels, rail locomotives, construction equipment, and critical power generation systems, the company's engines have become symbols of durability and innovation. Today, Cummins is recognized as one of the most influential engine manufacturers on the planet. But behind its global success lies a remarkable story of vision, determination, and technological advancement. The journey began in 1919 in Columbus, Indiana. Founded by Plessy Cummins, a self-taught mechanic and inventor, the company was built on a bold belief that diesel engines represented the future of transportation and industrial power. At the time, diesel technology was still in its infancy. Many experts doubted its commercial potential, and widespread adoption seemed far from certain. However, Plessy Cummins saw opportunities where others saw obstacles. He dedicated himself to improving diesel engine efficiency, reliability, and performance. The early years were challenging. Like many pioneering companies, Cummins faced financial difficulties and technical hurdles. Yet persistence and innovation eventually paid off. By demonstrating the superior fuel economy and durability of diesel engines, the company began attracting attention from transportation operators and industrial customers. During the 1930s and 1940s, Cummins established itself as a serious player in the engine industry. Its reputation grew rapidly as businesses discovered that Cummins engines could operate longer, consume less fuel, and withstand harsher conditions than many competing products. The post-World War II economic boom created new opportunities. America's expanding transportation network demanded powerful and reliable engines capable of moving goods across vast distances. Cummins was perfectly positioned to meet that demand. As highways expanded and freight transportation increased, the company's engines became a common sight on trucks traveling across North America. Fleet operators appreciated their reliability, while drivers valued their power and efficiency. Over time, the Cummins name became synonymous with dependable diesel performance. What truly set Cummins apart, however, was its relentless commitment to innovation. Rather than relying on past successes, the company continuously invested in research and development. Engineers worked tirelessly to improve combustion technology, increase fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and enhance overall performance. This culture of innovation allowed Cummins to expand far beyond the trucking industry. The company entered markets such as mining, oil and gas, marine transportation, rail systems, military applications, and power generation. Today, Cummins operates on a truly global scale. Its products are used in more than 190 countries and territories, supported by an extensive network of manufacturing facilities, service centers, distributors, and technical experts. Thousands of engineers and employees contribute to the company's mission of delivering power solutions that drive the modern world. Among the company's most famous achievements is its QSK engine series. These engines represent the pinnacle of heavy-duty diesel engineering and are designed for some of the most demanding applications imaginable. QSK engines power giant mining trucks capable of carrying hundreds of tons of material. They drive locomotives transporting freight across continents. They generate electricity for critical infrastructure and provide propulsion for large marine vessels operating in challenging environments. Built to withstand extreme conditions, these engines are engineered for maximum reliability and long service life. Their performance has made them a trusted choice in industries where downtime can cost millions of dollars. One of the most impressive products in the company's portfolio is the QSK 95. Widely regarded as one of the most advanced high-horsepower diesel engines ever developed, The QSK-95 demonstrates the extraordinary engineering capabilities of Cummins. Developing such an engine required years of research, testing, and innovation. Engineers focused on delivering exceptional power output while maintaining fuel efficiency, durability, and environmental compliance. The result was a powerhouse capable of supporting some of the largest industrial and power generation projects in the world. Beyond land-based applications, Cummins has established a strong presence in the marine industry. Its marine engines are trusted by commercial operators, fishing fleets, government agencies, offshore support vessels, and luxury yacht manufacturers. Marine environments are notoriously demanding. Saltwater, humidity, continuous operation, and harsh weather conditions place enormous stress on equipment. Cummins engines are designed to thrive under these conditions, providing dependable performance when reliability matters most. The company's success in marine applications reflects decades of engineering expertise and a deep understanding of customer needs. Whether powering a commercial fishing vessel or a high-performance yacht, Cummins delivers solutions that combine strength, efficiency, and durability. Another area where Cummins plays a critical role is power generation. Around the world, hospitals, airports, data centers, manufacturing facilities, and emergency response centers rely on uninterrupted electricity. In these environments, power failure is simply not an option. Cummins generators and power systems provide the backup and primary power solutions needed to keep essential operations running. Their reputation for reliability has made them a preferred choice for critical infrastructure projects worldwide. From natural disasters to unexpected grid failures, Cummins power systems help ensure continuity when it matters most. This capability has made the company a trusted partner for organizations that depend on secure and consistent energy supplies. While Cummins built its reputation on diesel technology, the company understands that the future of energy is changing. Environmental regulations, sustainability goals, and evolving customer expectations are transforming the global energy landscape. Recognizing this shift, Cummins has invested heavily in next-generation technologies. The company is developing hydrogen-powered systems, fuel cell technology, battery electric solutions, and advanced renewable energy applications. These investments demonstrate a commitment not only to maintaining industry leadership, but also to shaping the future of transportation and power generation. By embracing innovation, Cummins aims to provide cleaner, more sustainable solutions without compromising performance. This forward-thinking strategy positions the company at the intersection of traditional engineering excellence and emerging energy technologies. It is a balance that few industrial manufacturers have managed to achieve successfully. Perhaps the greatest strength of Cummins is its ability to evolve while remaining true to its core values. For more than 100 years, the company has focused on quality, reliability, customer support, and technological innovation. These principles have guided every stage of its growth and continue to define its identity today. Customers who choose Cummins are not simply purchasing an engine. They are investing in decades of engineering expertise, a global support network, and a legacy of performance that has been proven across countless industries and applications. More than a century after its founding, Cummins remains one of America's greatest industrial success stories. From a small engine company in Indiana to a global leader in power solutions, its journey reflects the power of innovation, determination, and visionary leadership. As the world continues to evolve, the demand for reliable, efficient, and sustainable power will only increase. And as it has for over 100 years, Cummins will likely remain at the forefront of that transformation. Whether moving freight across continents, powering ships across oceans, supporting critical infrastructure, or developing the energy technologies of tomorrow, Cummins continues to prove why it is one of the most respected names in industrial history. It is more than an engine manufacturer. It is a company that helps keep the world moving.